143.
Hi, today we're going deep sea fishing on the Double Eagle out of Clearwater. This is gonna be a good time, folks. Getting our drinks ready, paying for our fishing today. Got the coolers all on deck. What's that? What? Hi!
Hi.
You ready to rock and roll?
I am.
Lay them out flat style.
Edit that out.
Hi, everybody.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, come on up.
Coming.
Alright, I got all my stuff going.
Oh, this is nice.
This is my little home away from the hole.
I like it.
You can drive?
Yeah.
It's really not that much to drive. You just gotta sit there.
I can do that.
I don't really stick my feet up there. I just lean back on the chair.
Yeah?
I put my feet, like I put one here and I put one over on the other side, and that's we're on the bottom ones on each side.
Oh, yeah?
Come on up. Yeah, come on up. Yes.
Like that?
That's how I've been riding for probably about the past 45 minutes. So.
That's not so bad. Oh, yeah, baby. What do you got there? Oh, yeah! Can I keep this one?
It's a little small.
Welcome to the old beaver in the sea.
Be about 10 minutes to the next spot, guys.
Somebody's bait down there.
Huh?
Want to see what he was eating?
Cool. Not my bait. We should let him have it, right?
So a little baby grunt down there he was eating on. But hey, nice fish, guys.
Bye.
Gotta get his mama next time.
That one.
What number, guys?
25.
Gotcha.
Here she is, folks. The #1 angler. Yeah, there we go.
Yep, here, let me give him to you. Put your finger right where mine is.
Oh!
Feature.
It's on fire. I feel like we can give him back. We can keep him. Should we, just for hunger purposes? Yeah. All right, time to reel him in. Let us see. Oh, he's so beautiful. You should see that through my polarized lens. It's like electric blue.
Nonetheless, though, this has to be 20 inches in order to keep.
What is it?
There's a 20-inch side. It's a red grouper.
Looking down on me, 'cause a country club where I belong is a honky tonk till 3 in the morning.
Maybe.
Because he doesn't know how big you guys are. So to me, it'd be like big.
I sent you a picture of you and him in the deck chair. On my phone?
Vidal Sassoon.
Yeah, I have.
You can get up close.
I can fix most wheels, but when they have damage issues,
We don't have one.
I'm sorry. I squeezed in there a little bit. This is our bag of fish. Fresh catch. We're taking over to Cooters. And we're gonna go have it cooked up for us. Special. Fish in a bag. Fish in a bag.